Hi, I'm Jeremy Scheck. You might know me from my TikTok, Scheck Eats. Today, I'm cooking in the Newell Creative Kitchen. It's basically my dream kitchen come true. It's a hub for creative content and kitchen inspiration, and it comes totally stocked with the latest cookware. Since it's spring, I wanted to make something with fresh vegetables. Any excuse to go to the farmer's market now that they're finally back. But farmers markets can also be a little intimidating. So I'm gonna show you a recipe that is super easy and delicious and doesn't require farmers market knowledge. I love hummus, and to farmers market it up, I'm making beet hummus with an herb oil, and I'm calling it farmers market hummus. Hummus is a great recipe when you just wanna swap out ingredients. Like if you can't find any beets and the market is starting to get crowded and you're getting stressed out, you can just grab garlic or red peppers and head out. And I've got everything I need to make thanks to the Newell Creative Kitchen. First, we roast our beets. I'm using the new Rubbermaid Dura-Lite bakeware dish, which is awesome because you can cook at a really high heat and, spoiler alert, serve in it too. While those are cooking, blend the chickpeas in the Oster Mini Food Chopper, which is so cute. You'll want to keep blending until they're as coarse as coffee grounds. When the beets are done, you'll have to peel them, which is super easy, but also super messy. You're gonna want to wear gloves unless you like purple hands. Now put everything in the chopper and process it. You'll want to process it again for a couple minutes until your hummus is nice and smooth. Don't forget to taste test. Now I'm gonna put it back in the Dura-Lite bakeware dish. Remember how I said it was also good for serving? Since I have some leftover produce, I'm gonna save it using a Food Saver vacuum sealer. It keeps them fresh up to 5 times longer, so they don't turn into scary rotting things in your fridge. Now for the herb-infused oil. The best thing about this herb oil is how easy it is to make. Just put everything in, blend, and drizzle. You can pair it with some of your favorites, like maybe you found feta cheese at your farmer's market, or even a warm pita. The other good thing about hummus is how well it keeps, and turns out I can just put a lid on the Dura-Lite bakeware dish and put it in the fridge. Seriously, gonna keep this dish. Spoiler alert. Well, I was just confused what's being spoiled. But it is